Is your printer not accepting print commands on Windows 11 or 10? In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple fixes to get your printer working again. At first, carefully disconnect the USB cable that connects the printer to your system. If you are using the printer via Wi-Fi, disconnect it from the settings. Then, click on the Start icon on the taskbar and type Services in the search box. Further, tap on the Services in the search results. When the Services window appears, scroll down to locate the Print Spooler service. Just double-click on it to access it. Then, tap on Stop to stop the Print Spooler service. Now, connect the USB cable of the printer to your computer. Coming back to the Services window, tap on Start to start the Print Spooler service. After that, tap on Apply and click on OK to save the changes. At first, press the Windows key and type CMD. Now, right-click on the command prompt and click on Run as Administrator. Simply write this command on the terminal and hit Enter to stall the spooler service. Net stop spooler. After running the command, minimize the terminal. After that, press the Windows key plus E keys together. Then go to this location, ~C Windows SAO System 32 Spool printers. You may see a warning message while accessing the printers folder. Just tap on Continue to proceed further. Select all the contents with your mouse and press the Delete key to empty the folder. After clearing the printers folder, you have to resume the spooler service. Run this code in the command prompt terminal. Net start spooler. Finally, close the command prompt window. Restart the printer manually. Then, try to print a test page using the printer. At first, press the Windows key and type regedit in the search box. Then, click on the registry editor to access it. When the registry edit 0R opens up, go to this key location, H key local machine system current control sets control printo printers. Now on the left-hand pane of the registry editor, you will notice the list of printers. Then, right-click on the problematic printer and tap on Delete. When you are close the registry editor, receive a warning message, tap on Yes to confirm your action. Close the registry editor. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.